Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to get a book format on Google Docs. First, we'll dive into setting up your document's page dimensions to match standard book sizes. Then, we'll adjust the margins to ensure your text is perfectly positioned for printing and binding. Finally, we'll choose the best fonts and sizes to make your book easy and enjoyable to read. Let's get started on making your manuscript look professional. To begin, navigate to the File menu at the top of your Google Docs screen and select Page Setup. Here, you can customize your page size to a standard book dimension, like 6 by 9 inches. You'll also adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins to ensure your text has adequate white space. Remember to apply these settings to the entire document for consistency. Next, let's refine your text. Select a professional and readable font such as Garamond or Times New Roman, typically in a 10 or 12-point size for body text. Adjust your line spacing to 1.5 or double for better readability, especially important in a book. Utilize Google Docs paragraph styles to maintain consistency across your headings and body text throughout the entire manuscript. This creates a polished and professional appearance. Finally, take the time to thoroughly review your entire document for any last-minute formatting inconsistencies or errors. Once you're satisfied, export your beautifully formatted book as a PDF file, which is ideal for printing and sharing. This ensures your hard work looks its best. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.